So now we are replacing the fan motor for an '05 Subaru Legacy GT. So this is the fan motor. You need to take off this little thing right here. There's three little bases. It connects right here, 1, 2, and then the third one right here. Pull this guy off, and then you go after these. There's one here, one on the other side. Oh, let's fail on me. Right there. See that guy right there. And the third one's pretty hard to find, but you're staring at it right there. Ta-da! So there's three. You pop that thing down, you replace that motor. It comes straight down. You also have to unplug this little clip right here, which is literally, it's a breeze. You pull it down, pop, and she's out. You replace that. I don't have a part number for you guys, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Anyway, like always, chaos. Oh, sorry. Okay, I saved it. Good. Like always, jack of all trades, master of none. See ya.